Krokolijn. Our first invention comes from a group of Dutch students, but fear not, it's nothing shy of transformative. The entire idea behind Krokolijn was to simplify the construction work, and the gadget works with high-tech marking cords. Once they are in place, a screw is tightened to hold them firmly in place. The screw is versatile enough to fasten these rods to everything from steel to wood and plastic, even rebar. The specialized fixing pin ensures that the cords won't be wiggling around between the teeth at all. The manufacturers state that this handy fastening tool will save as much as 10 minutes for every 164 feet or 50 meters of used cord, so you might be able to enjoy a longer lunch break. It's also impressively compact, at about 6 inches or 15 centimeters in size. You can invest in your very own for only $10. Stay tuned for the best work light that will eliminate the problem of shadows and cords all at once. Rooftop equipment rollers. There's a tool for just about everything these days, and painting roofs is no exception. Gone are the days when painting the oddly shaped panels on a roof was an annoying and tedious task, thanks to the rooftop equipment rollers. These outstanding rollers are designed to completely and quickly coat your roof panels in paint, and they are designed for perfect coverage without any messy overspray. This roller is ideal for every task, and while they are available in 7 different shape profiles, the manufacturer will create custom rollers to fit your roof needs precisely. Anything that helps with the heavy job of cutting wood is incredibly valuable, and our hitch-mounted marble will certainly make a difference. Walcom 360 TrueLIGHT. We're now moving on to something that's always crucially important, lighting. And the Walcom 360 TrueLIGHT is a shining example of the best technology on the market. The TrueLIGHT is revolutionary, and it attaches right to the front of your spray gun or airbrush for unmatched illumination. This means you'll never have awkward shadows and angles again. And to make it even more impressive, the light also mimics natural sunlight. You'll be able to enjoy 2 hours of use of full brightness with a single battery charge, which is more than enough to finish up the job. A complete kit with 4 adapters and the light comes at a price of $350. Decking equipment with built-in features like spacers will make the job easier and faster, so don't go anywhere. JawBoss. Here's a handy tool for woodworking that you definitely don't want to miss out on. The JawBoss is a hitch-mounted tool that will give you the perfect space to securely place your logs. This means that cutting, barking, and processing logs out in the forest will be easier and more convenient than ever. JawBoss not only improves efficiency, but it also enhances work safety and prevents both chain damage and personal injury. Whether you're a timber contractor or just gathering wood for your camping trip, this $119 tool will be a sure investment. When you're working with concrete, however, you'll need something with a bit more power, and it's a bonus when these tools are cordless too. Trend Concealed Screw Deck Jig. Decking can sometimes get the best of even the most experienced DIYers, but the concealed screw deck jig will turn this into a seamless job right away. This deck jig allows the user to install decks without any visible fasteners and to achieve this sleek look. It also comes with a guide that's set at 50 degrees. You also get built-in spacers that are adjustable between 0.13 and 0.26 inches, or 3.5 and 6.5 millimeters. Boards ranging from 3.5 to 5.9 inches or 90 to 150 millimeter in width will be compatible with the deck jig, and the price of $61 seals the deal. Sally Saw. An upgrade to your saw will mean a significant decrease in your daily back pain, so it's not hard to see why the Sally Saw is such a popular item. The Sally Saw has been with us since the early 20th century, and the idea of combining a saw and a drive shaft has remained ever ingenious. This is now a leading option for trimming branches and similar jobs, and it will take the workload off your shoulders. Another great bonus is that it's portable too. Keep your eyes peeled for a modern paint remover that'll be essential to a home makeover. MX Fuel Core Rig Withstand. The fact that a drill as powerful as our next entry is capable of being cordless is mind-blowing already, but it gets better. The MX Fuel Core Rig is a drill rig that's capable of drilling 4 holes in reinforced concrete on a single charge, each up to 9.84 inches or 25 centimeters in diameter. But it boasts a max hole diameter capability of 14 inches or 35.5 centimeters. The core rig is equipped with the Cool Cycle system to ensure cooling isn't something you'll ever have to worry about. The advanced tool is made up of only 3 main parts, and its brute strength will certainly make your construction job a whole lot easier. It doesn't have a very high price though, costing $1,7,000. Color Renovation Paint Shaver Pro. Are you struggling with stubborn old paint on the exterior of your house that just won't come off? The Color Renovation Paint Shaver Pro is here to change that. This is the ultimate solution for giving your home a facelift, and it will make removing ugly paint a breeze. The tool can be used to prepare your exterior for a premium paint job, and it will make quick work of peeling and cracking paint. The price you can expect is around $799. Multi-tools are all the hype, and if one of the features is a thermal imager, you can be sure it's an investment you'll never regret. MAKA. The MAKA tool is synonymous with compact versatility, and the wide range of functions that this tool is capable of will certainly leave you impressed. It is able to calculate the distance and volume of an area, and it's got a built-in moisture meter and AC detector to ensure there's no job you can't tackle. This isn't all. It's also got a sensor to detect various materials inside walls, and perhaps the most impressive of all is that it's got a thermal imager as well. The price is a very reasonable $150. Edilgrappa Combax. Next up is the Edilgrappa Combax, the ultimate tool for construction professionals, rescue workers, and even firefighters. It's a universal tool that is able to pry open car doors and fire hydrants. It's also able to shatter glass and cut seatbelts, so it'll be able to be the hero in any disaster situation. If you're looking to invest in this wonder of an invention, you'll need to contact the manufacturers for pricing. Pipe threading will now be one of the simplest tasks on the construction site, thanks to our next entry, and it will solve multiple problems at once. RIDGID 760 FXP. For threading pipes, the RIDGID 760 FXP is a top choice, and it's a tool that is truly set apart from everything else on the market. It's battery operated for zero cord hassles, and on a single charge, it can thread a whopping 30 pipes that have a 1.97 inch or 5 centimeter diameter. A smart LED notification will let you know when the pipe is fully threaded, and it even has a built-in light, so you're never left in the dark. The 24-pound or 11-kilogram weight ensures it's easy to cart around too, and considering all this, the $1,600 price tag is certainly justified. Kibosh Rapid Pipe Repair Clamp. We guarantee you can't beat the speed of pipe repair that's possible with the cutting-edge Kibosh Rapid Pipe Repair Clamp. This pipe repair clamp is attached to the pipe of your choosing in just seconds, and this means that it's now possible to repair leaks without even having to shut the main water supply off. It's cleverly designed to be able to withstand as much as 145 psi or 10 bar of pressure, and whether you're working with plastic or copper pipes, this clamp will get the job done. This clamp allows for a reliable lightning speed leak fix, and the price of only $24 is a complete steal. Could you imagine a powerful angle drill that also doesn't have the problem of extensive cabling? Flex FX 1671, FX 1681. Angle drills now need to compete with the flex drills, and this is not an easy job. The Flex FX 1671 weighs in at a meager 10.3 pounds, or 4.7 kilograms, and it is capable of handling woodwork holes up to 3.94 inches, or 10 centimeters in diameter. It has a 6 amp hour battery, but there is even a stronger option. The Flex FX 1681 is the big brother, and it's got a drilling diameter that goes up to 6.3 inches or 16 centimeters. And with the same battery, it has a weight of 13.6 pounds or 6.2 kilograms. The latter is the most expensive, priced at $429, while the smaller Flex angle drill comes in at $300. FastenMaster PAMFast Autofeed System. Inserting self-tapping screws is no longer a task that'll take you all day. This process can now be automated thanks to the FastenMaster PAMFast Autofeed System. The tool is designed to be compatible with strips of pre-inserted self-tapping screws. The standard tool strip holds an impressive 50 screws at one time, and each of them are 2.5 inches or 6.3 centimeters in size. The tool has been proven to hugely boost productivity. It speeds up your screw tapping abilities and reduces the risks of mistakes at the same time. The price for this auto screw tool sits at $626. Everything on the construction site is being upgraded, so why not reinvent the ladder as well? BASEH Oval. Attachments that give your tools new life are always worth the investment, and the BASEH Oval is one of the greatest chainsaw attachments. It turns your old chainsaw into a debarker for those woodworking days. The only requirement is that your chainsaw needs at least 1.6 horsepower or 1.17 kilowatts. Once it's attached, you'll be able to clear a 4.21 inch or 107 millimeter strip of bark in one go. Its price of $128 is certainly worth the expense, and your chainsaw will never be the same again. Wibe Ladders. If you're wondering what the best ladder on the market is, this is it. The Wibe ladder looks like a most sci-fi ladder ever created, and this assumption isn't wrong. The 20.8 by 25.5 inch or 53 by 65 centimeter platform will keep you safe, and the ladder has 4 different height level settings, which can be adjusted using just one hand before you start climbing. The ladder will even be incredibly easy to move around thanks to the built-in wheels, but the price does certainly reflect these cool features at $1,900. A tensioner that can manage 2,400 pounds or 1 ton of torque seems impossible, but this is entirely possible. Just stay tuned. OLFA Compass Circle Cutter. When you need to cut a perfect circle for any project you're working on, there's only one tool you'll need on your side. It's called the OLFA Compass Circle Cutter, and it's a handy little gadget that will surpass even your highest expectations. The cutter will glide through anything from material to cardboard, wood, and even film. The .71 inch or 18 millimeter round blade will be able to create perfect circles from 1.5 to 8.6 inches or 4 to 22 centimeters. And the price tag of $14 may be the best part of it all. ISO T001, the Cool Tool. Sometimes the most straightforward and mundane-looking tools are the ones we can't really go without, and the next entry on our list sort of proves that point. Many people will surely find this high-tensioning tool indispensable when they need to secure cables and other pieces of equipment onto structures, like electrical poles. With its ability to deliver an incredible 2,400 pounds or 1 ton of torque, it's really the only smart choice for anyone serious about safety and reliability. Achieving proper tension levels is critical to ensure items remain securely fastened, and what's more, the Cool Tool can accommodate bands up to 0.8 inches or 20 millimeters wide and 0.04 inches or 1 millimeter thick. It comes with a razor-edge blade for effortless strap slicing and sells for a wallet-friendly $130. Fastening tools aren't just used by construction workers though, and there is now a specialized tool to be used on fields and vineyards. Pellenc Fixion 2. Our next tool is specifically for those who spend their days walking around on large vineyards and orchards, trying to keep the vines and branches in check. The Pellenc Fixion 2 comes with a price tag of around $1,500, but it really is one of the most practical ways of investing in your own productivity and efficiency, and can be used to accelerate vine tying by an impressive 10-fold, and is capable of powering through up to 15,000 tying jobs on a single battery charge. The tool is feather light at 28 ounces or 800 grams, so that it can be carried around all day long without any strain. Crescent Bull Bar. You would have a hard time finding a tool with as much brute usefulness as this one. Unlike competing products, the Crescent Bull Bar features a head that can pivot a full 180 degrees, offering a level of versatility that other tools lack. And what's more, this head has been very cleverly engineered to minimizing slipping. This innate slip-resistant design gives you a layer of safety that you won't find in most other tools. There's even an added bonus in the shape of a patented nail puller, and with its 44-inch or 122-centimeter length, it's long enough to get the job done, but still manageable enough to be practical. The $100 price tag is a bargain if you consider all the impressive features. Uline Dot Shot. Our next invention is better known as the Dot Shot, the most ingenious gadget that will ensure placings. Glue dots is one of the quickest jobs around. This dispenser allows the user to enjoy fast and precise glue dot application, and on basically anything as well. The roll-on dispenser ensures even oddly shaped objects can be glued with ease. You can even choose between applying one or multiple dots at one time. The gadget is ergonomic and marvelously lightweight for comfortable use, and for only $55, this is a steal. Concrete compactors are immensely valuable, and now Hilti has released their very own version. Sunjoe IONMAX Workshop Blower Plus Vacuum Kit. Do you need something to take over a bit of the endless void of chores around the house and yard, or even in your workshop? The Sunjoe IONMAX Workshop Blower Plus Vacuum Kit is a powerful and efficient way of getting rid of dirt and debris, with a top blowing speed of 186 miles or 300 kilometers per hour, and cordless operation powered by a 2-amp-hour battery. No speck of dust will ever be safe again. It costs around $80 for the entire kit, which includes various other handy attachments and even extra garbage bags to make cleaning up as pleasant as it's probably ever going to be. Hilti Nuron NCV 1022. Would you appreciate being able to compact thousands of cubic feet of concrete with a tool that weighs as much as a large watermelon and needs only a single set of batteries? Well, then have a look at the next product from Hilti. The Nuron NCV is one of the best alternatives to clunky, cumbersome, conventional concrete vibrators, and packs a punch even with its 17.5 pounds or 8 kilograms of body. It's capable of condensing approximately 2,000 cubic feet or 60 cubic meters of concrete with one charge. The complete kit with a reliable charger and 2 extra batteries can be yours for $2,450. Gallagher Wire Tensioner. The Gallagher Wire Tensioner should be the first thing you reach for when it's time for wire cutting or tightening of any kind. This device lets you fine-tune the tension on any wire, coated or plain, nearly effortlessly. The tool in itself is incredibly simple to calibrate, and it can tighten strands without the hassle of cutting, so no more snipping the wire and starting over. Plus, at $20 for 3 of these tensioners, it's an affordable addition to your tool selection. Gardening doesn't need to be a back-breaking job anymore, and our following multi-function machine will make this a labor of love again. JessEm multi-purpose casters. Having a clean and organized workspace is not something to be scoffed at, and you can make getting and keeping it in this state a little bit easier by investing in a pair of these ultra-robust and sturdy 12-gauge steel casters from JessEm Tools. They're ideally suited to moving around heavy loads, and with them equipped, you'll be moving around up to 2,000 pounds, or about 900 kilograms, without breaking as much as a sweat. If you want a set to try out, you can get one for $162. MANIJAS Handle Tech. This next clamp might not look very impressive at first glance, but if you have ever had to move around big and dirty industrial-sized pipes, you'll be pleasantly surprised by just how much it can help. The company's premium model is capable of working with 6-inch or 15-centimeter diameter hoses and payloads as much as 400 pounds or 181 kilograms. It can handle not only the rigors of busy industrial environments, but it will never loosen its grip on even the most unwieldy and slippery of tubes. Uprooter Stump Remover. With the help of this aptly named Uprooter tool, even the laziest of gardeners will be able to remove anything from a small tree to an unruly shrub in minutes. Best of all, this is possible without even getting a bit of dirt under your nails. To make things even easier, the company offers a compact 8-pound or 3.5 kilogram model, and they are selling it for just $160. Have you given up on cleaning the windows a few stories up? Well, now you can tackle this task, again with never before achieved success. nLITE. We bet that you would be hard-pressed at finding a window cleaner that won't appreciate having a tool like the nLITE in their cleaning arsenal. nLITE brushes have been tailor-made to tackle the biggest, and in this case, tallest scrubbing projects with what should be an impossible amount of ease. These brushes are equipped with both telescopic handles and deceptively simple yet efficient designs, so you can work even at uncomfortably perpendicular right-angled positions. Whether you have to clean windows, dusty frames, or neglected ledges, and whether they are on the first or fourth floor, you should get an nLITE brush first for $88 to solve all your problems. Bosch Easy Inflate 18-volt 500. Bosch has once again proved why they are such a beloved name with their incredibly helpful Easy Inflate 18V500 cordless pump. Whether you find yourself at the beach or in the backyard, you can use the Easy Inflate to quickly inflate everything from air mattresses to beach balls and PVC boats. Since it weighs only 26.5 ounces or 750 grams with the battery and comes with a 19.7-inch or 50 centimeter long hose and allows for constant, hands-free operation, it's the most convenient way to air up just about anything. Despite it only offering a top pressure of 0.5 psi or 0.03 bar and a max flow rate of 140 gallons or 530 liters per minute, it's still a solid and reliable tool. It's also affordably priced at just $42. Dremel Multi-Vise. The classic vise design has been given something of an upgrade with this innovative new tool from Dremel, and the result is this intriguing 3-in-1 system. For $35, you get a vise, a fastener, and a tool stand. If you need to work from different angles, you'll be glad to know that it can not only spin a full 360 degrees, but can be tilted up to 50 degrees for even more precise positioning. It clamps onto surfaces up to 2.5 inches or 6.3 centimeters thick, and will be a marvelously helpful addition to your toolbox. An automated brush with various cleaning features is an unmissable investment, so don't look away. OLFA L8AL. If you like multi-tools, the OLFA L8AL is the gadget for you. This is an all-in-one tool that combines a cutting tool, a prying tool, a staple remover, a can opener, and more. So the versatility is truly unmatched. It's got a clever handle designed to ensure slip-free force application. The tool also includes a cranked metal pick, and it's easy to replace the blade within a few seconds. Complete safety is guaranteed with its auto-locking system, and this marvel is everything you need in a handy little tool for only $41. Guede Gub 500. Next up, we're introducing the Guede Gub 500, a universal brush that'll be the end to all your cleaning worries. The Gub 500 is a highly adaptable tool that is designed to effortlessly clean a variety of surfaces and remove dirt to leave a spotless result. A huge perk of this tool is that you can change out the brush when it's necessary without the need for any specialized tools. It's fitted with a range of helpful safety features, and it's comfortable for both left and right-handed people. Features like adjustable brush height are what makes this tool so impressive. For only $95, this is a sure investment. .360 Gun Bosch. Bosch is a beloved tool brand all over the world, and their newest tool, the .360 gun, does not fail to live up to these expectations. This gun is all you'll need for a complete clean of your outdoor space. It's easy to set up and has variable wash and rinse settings. The cleaning gun has a high pressure nozzle and the ability to rotate 360 degrees. And this means it'll get into even the toughest to reach spots. For complete convenience, the gun also has push fit connections. It truly seems like Bosch thought of everything. The price is a modest $45. Everyone needs a handy cleaning toolkit, and now you can even invest in a compact and versatile gun cleaner that'll handle all the different parts of gun cleaning. Mustang Curbside Gripping Lifter. Mustang is stepping in to help those who have the not-so-easy job of transporting large and very bulky weighted curb blocks, and they are making it look much easier than ever before. The Curbside Gripping Lifter won't strain your back or test your patience, and this simple, designed side version weighs as much as a bag of flour at just 11 pounds or 5 kilograms, but it is specifically made for construction blocks weighing up to 150 pounds or 68 kilograms as well, so it's ideal for construction sites and a variety of landscaping projects. It's also a testament to the fact that quality doesn't have to break the bank, since it sells for $184. Real Avid Carbon Boss AR-15. The last product on our list manages to tick off several boxes at the same time and is a great choice for the shooter who wants to keep their gun in the very best condition. Not only does this 0.3 pound or 0.14 kilogram triangular frame tool punch way above its weight in terms of functionality, but it's packed with features that make it perfect for novice and experienced gun lovers alike. Each tool is clearly labeled, so no more guessing which part does what, and it comes with nearly a dozen different precision scrapers, from small and large firing pin scrapers to an extractor scraper. Moreover, there's a pivoting phosphor bronze brush for those hard-to-reach areas, and a 360-degree bolt tail brush and a pin punch. It's all presented in a durable ballistic nylon sheath, and you can buy this high-quality multi-tool for just $35. Zurn PEX Expansion Tool. Expansion heads are always handy on the construction site, and the Zurn PEX expansion tool is guaranteed to be everything you need and more in one convenient package. This tool is perfectly designed for polymer pipe installation, and with it the manufacturer offers a wide range of practical uses. The cleverly interlocking teeth and the blunt nose work together to ensure seamless operation, and it also ensures that expansion is perfectly gradual and even. The rings on this tool are marked for quick referencing, and you are able to use it with both manual and power tools. Even in the cold weather, you'll be able to enjoy high quality and error-free expansion with this tool, and the expansion head will definitely shave valuable time off your project at a price of $90 per expansion head. This is a must-have tool. FETRA Platen Roller. Moving things like boards and big sheets is a daily requirement on the construction site, and this is why the FETRA Platen Roller is a tool absolutely everyone needs. It's basically a dolly that will be an invaluable helper. Simply place the desired options into its jaws and effortlessly roll to your destination. This marvel gadget comes with a choice between solid rubber and pneumatic tires, and thanks to its felt coating, it's easy to grip and control. The working width is adjustable from 1.2 to 3.7 inches or 30 to 95 millimeters. The tool is a German invention, proving why its functionality and reliability will be second to none. The price tag of $125 is definitely understandable, and this single investment will ensure that back pains on the job are a thing of the past. Keep your eyes peeled for another interesting tool that will make wire management a breeze. Artec Leo. Our amazing tool list kicks off with quite the showstopper, the Artec Leo. This is the world's first 3D model scanner that's completely wireless. It's powered by AI algorithms, and this device boasts an incredible scanning speed of 80 frames per second over a space as big as 9,763 cubic inches, or 160,000 cubic centimeters. The specialized Artec software allows remarkable feats like blending photos and scans taken on different cameras. It creates a super realistic 3D model, but do brace yourself. At $34,800, you can just about buy a Tesla Model 3, but it is the most state-of-the-art scanner you'll find by far. Do you want to melt plastic plumbing pipes together in seconds? Stay tuned for this advanced tool. Now an electric pipe welding machine heating tool. Pipe welding machines are constantly getting better, but very few can compare with the Nawin electric pipe welding machine heating tool. This product is made in China, and it boasts a 1-year warranty that'll guarantee complete peace of mind. The tool is cordless for perfect portability and convenience, and its 120-watt lithium battery promises efficient and reliable work. The heating gadget takes 4 minutes to heat up, and it maintains a constant temperature of 644 degrees Fahrenheit, or 340 degrees Celsius. For safety, it's got an anti-scalding heat installation head. With shipping, you'll need to pay roughly $50 for this hot tool. Want to easily remove gunky debris from your roof? Stay tuned for a marvel of a solution. EZG Manufacturing PM1 Air and Grip Hog Vacuum. Vacuum lifts are always valuable, and the PM1 Air and Grip Hog Vacuum certainly lives up to expectations. This lift comes in 2 versions. The basic model that boasts a 75-pound or 34-kilogram capacity, and a top version that ramps this up to a whopping 240 pounds or 109 kilograms. This vacuum lift is designed for exceptional precision and effortless handling. Whether you're lifting tiles or other construction items, it'll keep your load perfectly level. The stronger version has a unique 8-shaped design that makes 2-person use easy, and you can also count on special add-ons with elements of memory foam. Investing in this vacuum lift will cut down your lifting work time by 40%, and this is why the price is justified. The basic lifter has a price tag of $634. Who still wants to break a sweat with a normal wheelbarrow? The good news is you never have to again. Skyscraper Package. Scrapers are quickly becoming some of the most popular construction tools, and the Skyscraper kit will soar past your wildest expectations. This scraper is ideal to remove dirt and gunky debris from your roof, and for convenience, it offers 3 height settings of 23, 29.5, and 33 feet, or 7, 9, and 10 meters. The kit comes complete with 11 different scraper blades in varying shapes. It also comes with a brush that'll protect your blades against moss and other worries. And thanks to its double head design, you can attach more than one accessory at a time. This is the professional construction worker and cleaner's dream tool. But can you justify the $763 price tag? We have a cordless tool coming up with 8,130 Newton meters of torque. Stay tuned to find out what it is. Bee Sparrow. Normal wheelbarrows are so old-fashioned, and the Beast Burrow is here to change that. The patented design includes 2 wheels instead of just 1, and this ensures lifting hefty loads is much less strenuous than before. The second wheel is movable, and it ensures you won't have to manually lift the load out anymore. The Beast Burrow is the secret to ensuring that outdoor tasks don't break a sweat anymore. Enerpac Battery Torque Wrench. Our next full invention comes from Enerpac, and it's a battery-powered torque wrench that'll be everything you could want and more. This wrench proves that dynamite comes in small packages, boasting 8,130 Newton-meters of torque. Not only this, but it also is impressively accurate down to 5%. One of the biggest perks is that it's portable and easy to carry with you on the job site. The LED display makes torque adjustment at the tip of your finger possible. The prices start at just $9,100. Dynamite comes in small packages, and this is exactly the case with our next diamond sharpening tool. Wicked Edge WE64 Cobalt. No tool set is complete without a trusted sharpener, and the Wicked Edge WE64 Cobalt is the tool of this kind you'll ever need. The entire thing is amazingly compact at 9.45 inches or 24 centimeters in length, but it undoubtedly competes with bigger sharpeners and even outshines them. The tool has 2 diamond-coated sharpening stones of 2,600 grit, and to ensure it's compatible with any blade, the guide rods they are mounted on have variable angle capabilities. The angle will be visible to you at all times, and it's even got special adapters for sharpening scissors and chisels. You'll need to spend $76 to get one of your own. Ryobi Speed Bench Mobile Workstation. Having tools is kind of a moot point if you don't have a proper work surface, and this is where Ryobi comes to the rescue. Their outstanding Speed Bench Mobile Workstation is versatile enough to be a transformative investment. The workstation has a sturdy wooden top that's able to hold its own, under 399 pounds or 181 kilograms of weight. It measures in at 42 by 22 inches or 107 by 56 centimeters. But when you need to move to another part of the construction site, simply flip it into cart mode and you'll be on your way. In cart mode, it can support 299 pounds or 136 kilograms, more than enough for all your tools. The wheels are 9.84 inches or 25 centimeters in diameter to navigate any terrain, and it has a humble price tag of $199. Want to get rid of your old and dusty rulers? There's now a pocket-sized solution that'll never let you down. Razy Stone Granite Profile Router Machine. For finishing touches, construction pros certainly need something like the Razy Stone Router Machine. The goal behind this machine is to transform the job of grinding and polishing stone and granite. At only 26 pounds or 12 kilograms, it's way lighter than most of its competitors. It's fitted with a nippy 2.9 horsepower or 2.2 kilowatt motor that can reach 8,500 RPM. It's suited for a variety of different tasks, and a splash guard and shock protection feature are included to ensure complete safety while working. The machine has a reasonable price tag of $949. Neo Ruler Go. Measuring distances has now forever been revolutionized thanks to the Neo Ruler Go. This remarkable gadget will fit right into your pocket, and it boasts incredible accuracy down to just 0.04 inches or 1 millimeter. The battery in this gadget can power it for 10 hours straight, and you can measure anything your heart desires, from curved angles to straight stretches. To ensure utmost convenience, the device switches between different units of measurement. All your measurement logs are also transferred to the app in any format you need, whether it be DXF or TXT. Being lightweight is also one of its best perks, weighing in at only 1.6 ounces or 45 grams. The tool has an attractive price of $45 too, so there's no reason to not invest in it today. Construction workers are always on the lookout for helpful tools, so stay tuned for one of the leading concrete vibrators on the market. Viper Vacuum Scraper. If you're looking for an impressive tool on a budget, the Viper Vacuum Scraper will be a standout option. This scraper connects to a wet and dry vacuum that ensures dust and debris won't be a major issue anymore. The dirt that you scrape away will be neatly contained, so you can scrape away at layers of paint and plaster without a worry in the world. The scraper can remove layers up to 0.25 inches or 6.4 millimeters thick. For the most durable strength profile, it's reinforced with fiberglass, and the $30 price tag is another bonus. NR Vibe Bar E-Bat. This next tool may be a bit of a tongue twister, but it will certainly catch your attention. The pendulum vibrator, named NR Vibe Bar E-Bat, is the ultimate answer for pouring concrete and for those construction workers who have nightmares about cords. Its cordless feature will be one of the most appealing parts. The 11-pound or 5-kilogram weight is super easy to manage, and the device is designed with advanced noise and vibration levels. On a full charge, you'll have a full hour of work ahead, and for a reasonable $896, you'll get a kit with the machine, a charger, and a 4-amp-hour battery. Do you ever feel like you don't have enough hands? We've got just a solution for you. Nito Tools. Nito Tools has created a system that is somewhat remnant of an octopus, and it's specifically made to ensure that car mechanics never feel like they need 3 extra hands again. Whether you're working under the hood or on a workbench, its convenience will be outstanding. The magnetic elements will securely hold your tools, screws, and parts, weighing as much as 2.2 pounds or 1 kilogram. And it's got a built-in lamp, so you never need to struggle to see in the dark corners again. The said lamp can light your way as far as 8.5 hours on a single full charge. More than enough for a full workday. The tool has been found to increase your work efficiency by as much as 37%. So for $150, there's no doubt that it's a great investment. Coil Shot Condenser Cleaning Tool. Coil Shot is the proud manufacturer of the condenser cleaning tool, and beating its efficiency is definitely not a task that'll come easy. This tool is specifically designed to clean heat exchange units, and it's able to connect to a garden hose in a jiffy. The innovative technology of the cleaning tool ensures dirt, grime, and grease don't stand a chance. With only 1 or 2 tablets of the special cleaning agent, you can tackle any job. The 2.99 foot or 91 centimeter nozzle is exactly what you'll need to reach those tricky spots, and for a total price of $102, it could be yours. Moving to heavy lifting, there is no need to break your back carrying loads up and down stairs. Interested? XSTO ZW4170D. Next up is the XSTO ZW4170D, a total powerhouse that'll transform your workday. This device is designed to help you carry loads up and down stairs with ease. It can support as much as 374 pounds or 170 kilograms of load. The XSTO is able to travel at a speed of 34 steps every 60 seconds, and a full charge will be enough for an impressive 135 floors of cargo transport. A huge perk is that it's as noisy as a vacuum cleaner at only 70 decibels. The wheels are also advanced pneumatic tires, and all this for a price of $1,500 is not too shabby at all. Cleaning clogged pipes are the last of your worries, or at least they will be once we introduce our modern solution. 3D Simo Multi-Pro. How about a mini workshop that can basically fit into your pocket? This is exactly what the 3D Simo Multi-Pro offers, and it serves as both a mini 3D printer and a soldering station. It can also be used for simpler functions like plying and screw driving, so you can truly unleash your creative genius. The tool allows the user to attach either a 0.01 inch or 0.3 millimeter drill, bit, or a soldering top that is capable of heating up to an insane temperature of 914 degrees Fahrenheit or 490 degrees Celsius in a third of a minute. All this for a price of only $69 is a deal you cannot miss out on. RIDGID Flex Shaft K912. Now let's take a look at the RIDGID Flex Shaft K912, an advanced pipe cleaning solution that promises to help restore even the worst clogged pipes to their original free-flowing state. It is also user-friendly and designed with practicality in mind. This marvel has a workable weight of just 10 pounds or 4.5 kilograms and comes with a clever built-in clutch system to protect your cables from damage. Versatility is also one of its key features, and it can easily be used in conjunction with almost any cordless drill with operating speeds of 1,800 to 2,500 RPM. Moreover, it comes with a 0.2 inch or 6 millimeter diameter cable that extends to a generous length of 30 feet or 9 meters. Agility and reach are also its forte, because even pipes as narrow as 2 inches or 50 millimeters can be properly cleaned, and this pocket-sized plumber's dream is priced at $230. Everyone needs a handy tool to cater to their wood needs, and our following entry will have you build a crackling fire in no time. Chicken. When winter arrives and the need for firewood is at its peak, especially if you live in a naturally frosty area, a wood splitter is so much more than just another tool. It could be a crucial survival asset. That's where products like the Chicken Wood Splitter could become household staples, because it makes it easy for everyone, young or old, to create large quantities of kindling in less time than ever before. It helps you to split wood logs into manageable, quick-to-catch pieces, and it doesn't matter if they're dry or wet. The Chicken design also features a movable part that adapts its weight to suit the task at hand, making the job even easier. You can get yourself one for $74. Minova Vacuum Hand Rasp. Minova tools are once again offering an excellent tool. Their vacuum hand rasp is made from ultra-durable tungsten, and it can be used on its own or attached to a vacuum cleaner thanks to the specially included insert. Being cordless, you also don't have to worry about unplugging it accidentally during use. Lastly, the rasp two-handed design makes it incredibly comfortable to use for extended periods of time. This gives the user the ability to work for longer while maintaining the same high-quality results. And who wouldn't want this? The cost for one of these cool tools is around $594. Wuda Pro Leather Cutting Machine. Experienced leathercraft artisans often have a lot to consider when deciding what the best tools are going to be for their work. That's why many turn to the expertise and quality of companies like Wuda. The Pro Leather Cutting Machine can cut through materials up to 0.6 inches or 1.5 centimeters thick, making it perfect for leather, rubber, plastic, fabric, and nearly anything else you can think of. It delivers an impressive pressing performance of up to 3,306 pounds or 1.5 tons. Despite its immense power, it's still compact, measuring just 15 by 12 inches or 38 by 31 centimeters. Right now, the price is $668. IML RESI F-Series. If it happens to be your job to go around inspecting and assessing the health and integrity of wooden structures, you should pay attention to the next product on the screen. With the IML RESI F, your normal, everyday drill can be morphed into a wood sclerometer in an instant. This tool allows you to closely scrutinize and analyze the structural integrity of everything from playground facilities to bridge foundations, and even live trees, if you have to. The real-time results are also recorded immediately. With just one 5 amp hour battery charge, you can take up to 50 measurements measurements that go as deep as 19.6 inches or 50 centimeters. Although it comes with a steep price tag of $3,127, it offers so many unique and innovative features that you might just overlook the cost. Universal solutions are always incredibly handy, so keep watching to see the only fastening solution you'll ever need. Enerpac Hydraulic Pumps SC Series. Here's another product, this time from Enerpac, that promises to free you from tangled extension cords and noisy air hoses. In their SC series of hydraulic pumps, the SC1201MB is the cordless equivalent of a high-pressure, high-flow hydraulic pump, and it weighs in at only 44 pounds or 20 kilograms. This pump has the built-in power of a 1 horsepower or 0.75 kilowatt motor, plus a satisfying 10,000 psi or 689 bar working pressure. It's got other great features as well, like a 54-volt battery that lasts twice as long as a standard battery, and precision thumb wheel, speed control, and the Enerpac Connect app. The app acts like your own personal virtual toolbox with documentation, instructional videos, and maintenance reminders. If all of this seems perfect for you, you should know that the price tag is currently sitting at $4,700. Rapid XP30. If you have $25 to spare and have a large project or DIY task to complete with near any kind of fastener, why not give the Rapid XP30 a try? With its ergonomic, lightweight design and strong and durable aluminum body, you can't beat it. One of the biggest design perks is that it always stays level on the wall, helping it to maintain a sleek and unobtrusive profile. It is highly adept at most drywall applications and the perfect tool for those who have to regularly work with anchors, dowels, and other fasteners. It's equally good at handling fasteners, ranging from M4 to M6 sizes, and all in all is reliable, long-lasting tool that you certainly won't regret buying. Crescent Measuring Wheel. When you have a job to do that requires a high amount of precision, your best bet is probably to use one of the Crescent's Luftkins specialized measuring products. The company is a market leader in the industry, and this measuring wheel is one of their most notable offerings right now. All the wheels come with calibrated analog meters, making them a faster option than a tape measure by what we feel like light years. They also feature a centerline balance for accuracy and a telescopic handle that extends from 24 to 45.5 inches or 61 to 115.5 centimeters, and even better, prices start at just $20. A screwdriver is never in short demand, but now even this age-old tool has a modern spin-off. Glob Marble Rollers. Some products are just so ingenious that it feels like there should just be some sort of reward for their creation, but perhaps having something so useful is its own reward. These unique, stamped, concrete rollers fit into this category quite well, and have been crafted with the sole purpose of speeding up tedious tasks like concrete finishing. The Glob Marble Rollers make a job go by up to 5-fold faster and still look classy and professional every time. Each roller has been manufactured from durable polyurethane, ensuring precise, even, and consistent work. It has a specially textured surface that perfectly mimics the appearance of brickwork and comes in a variety of sizes. Take for instance the on-screen model RL 11611 with an 11-inch or 28-centimeter roller. The manufacturer recommends sealing off your work with a special stain seal. A single roller will set you back $40. NetU. How about a tool created specifically to make a tiler's life easier by being the conduit to precise and flawless adhesive application? NetU steps in by ensuring that they can finish their projects ahead of schedule by eliminating any wasteful time or material expenditure. Their top-tier version allows for width adjustment up to 31.5 inches or 80 centimeters and features teeth ranging from 0.3 by 0.3 to 0.7 by 0.6 inches or 8 by 8 to 20 by 15 millimeters. Every version comes standard with rubber rollers that stop the tiles from being damaged, and you can get yours now for a relatively reasonable $511. Tolson 4-volt cordless screwdriver. Here we have another good example of a tool that has been with us for a while, but is not getting nearly as much attention as it deserves. The Tolson 4-volt cordless screwdriver is one of those tools that will never leave you hanging mid-project, not only because of its high-powered, long-lasting 2000 milliamp amp lithium battery, but also because of the built-in reverse function that lets you backtrack effortlessly. It's known to save time and frustration, and the bright focus beam of its LED lights will illuminate any job. You can also customize your power with its 3 torque settings and get precision at your command with the fingertip torque control, with which you can adjust torque up to 10 Newton meters. The downtime is minimal because of the USB-C charging port, and all of this is presented in a kit that includes an assortment of bits. Lastly, you can even get color-coded rings to identify them. The price comes in at just shy of $199. Do you want to convert your drill to a secondary tool in just a few seconds? Believe it or not, this is completely possible. Bloom. Everyone knows that quality does not usually come cheap, and if you're after precision and durability, sometimes it's necessary to make a little investment. And if you happen to be a furniture maker, you'll know that many of your operations require drilling. The next item on screen will be right up your alley. These drilling templates are crafted to integrate perfectly with Bloom's guide rails and other accessories. They are meant to greatly simplify the assembly process and are sold in a handy carrying case, making them easy to transport and organize. For example, if you need to drill runner hook positions or pre-drill mounting holes on drawers, the T651,000 template is probably your best option. But do keep in mind that a single template made in Austria can set you back about $39. Drill to saw converter. Switching between tools has never been as straightforward as it is when you have one of these clever attachments. Attach the blade to your drill, and with your newly adapted reciprocating saw, you can slice through metal, wood, and more without splurging on anything extra. Some users have even successfully tried it with screwdrivers and reported success, so the options are endless. This high-tech tool comes in a package that includes several different blades, including 5.3, 5.7, and 5.9 inches, or 135, 145, and 150 millimeters. For the price of just $75, you can transform your single-function electric drill into a powerful cutting tool in one swoop. Next up, we have redesigned the standard chisel to ensure it exceeds your wildest expectations. Irwin Folding 1-in Woodworking Chisel. Irwin Tools knows a thing or two about woodworking, and with their extensive wealth of accumulated knowledge, they should be a go-to choice when trying to find that perfect carpentry tool for yourself or a friend. The company has taken the basic design of a classic chisel and upgraded it to have a sleek, foldable shape, mimicking the well-loved butterfly knife design. This makes it easy to carry in your toolbox or pocket and take with you wherever the job is. The handle has been made from thick, durable plastic, and the 1-inch or 25mm cutting edge is easy to sharpen, just like any other chisel. The only difference really is the $16 price tag. Fisher Duotech. And now for a company that has been quietly assisting craftspeople for over 70 years and has become a de facto global leader in several key areas of fastening technology. Take these self-drilling drywall plugs made from fiberglass reinforced plastic and stainless steel, for example. The manufacturer has also taken a feature usually found on zip ties and blended it into their own design, and this added ribbed strip really gives it that special edge. Other benefits include the ability to work with regular and metric screws, and they are compact size, so you can pop them in using a standard 0.4-inch or 10mm drill bit. It has the ability to work with several screw types and sizes. For $76, you can buy a set of 50 high-quality 0.4 by 2-inch or 10mm by 50mm plugs. or at BV Clamps. Some things stand the test of time for a reason, and some products just stick around despite the constant onslaught of innovation and improvements. Or at BV Clamps are still some of the best around and remain the tool of choice for many when heavy objects, like curbstones, need to be manually lifted and moved around. With the classic version, you have the ability to customize the robust jaws to 3 different sizes, and it offers an 11-inch or 28-centimeter opening capacity. What difference does the quality of your saw blades make? The answer is a big one, so don't go anywhere. Angel Preciado 1825 Hybrid. Now it's time to look at some compressors, and the Angel Preciado options definitely stand out above others. The first model is cordless while the second is a hybrid machine. But both offer unparalleled performance. Both of these are capable of maintaining pressure as high as 160 psi or 11 bar. And whether you're working on bicycles, inflatable gadgets, or cars, it'll adapt to any job. The kit is well planned and includes the needed adapters and a clever dedicated compartment. You can switch between pressure units as well. And when your desired pressure level is reached, the machine has an automatic off switch. Another cool feature is the built-in flashlight, so you'll never be left fumbling in the dark. For the hybrid version, you'll need to spend $138. Mortop Tungsten Saw Blade. When it comes to saw blades, the top option tends to be Mortop Tungsten saw blades. These reciprocating saw blades are made from tungsten carbide, and they boast accurate and effortless cutting. One of the biggest perks of this tool is that dirt and debris are greatly reduced, and it's immensely speedy too. The blades are ideal for everything, from masonry to brickwork and concrete, and the results are as precise as can be. The durable, heat-resistant blades will also impress and provide outstanding performance. LevelFix LF Manual Screeding System. Kicking off our countdown, we have the LevelFix LF Manual Screeding System, the ultimate screeding machine that'll transform this job. This handy tool was created in order to make prepping various surfaces easier. This includes lawns, paving stones, tiles, and more. You can even use it to level your garden bed. The tool has various models, reaching up to 10 feet or 3.1 meters in width. The great news is that you can adjust the width as well as the height to ensure it perfectly suits the job at hand. A LevelFix with a working width of 4.1 feet or 1.25 meters has a price tag of $1,290. Will you be making this investment? AGP CS11 Concrete Chainsaw. Concrete cutting just got a whole lot easier thanks to the AGP CS11 Concrete Chainsaw. The advanced chainsaw is able to make cuts into concrete up to 11.81 inches or 30 centimeters deep, and it's got a built-in level that ensures every cut will be impeccably precise. The LED indicator is designed to light up and provide perfect visibility, and it also ensures durability with extra features. This includes overload and overheating protection technology, so using this tool will always come with complete peace of mind. The price tag for this gadget is $1,357. Stop digging. Our next invention graces our screens all the way from Sweden, and it's the top choice for digging modern foundations. Stop digging is the key to building a strong foundation without the need for digging and concrete pouring. This might sound too good to be true, but stick with us and you'll be convinced. This screw pile system was created in 2012, and on top of outstanding convenience, it offers benefits such as year-round use. This system is also reusable and comes with a 25-year warranty. The system has already been integrated into American building codes, proving just how successful it is. Bumpa. Roofers, listen up. This next tool will change your life. The Bumpa is a welcome invention that makes the heavy lifting roofers have to do a bit easier. The system is designed to get shingles and other roofing materials onto the said roof, and the clever lift has the capacity to support 176 pounds or 80 kilograms of materials at a single time. It's also very handy if you're looking to clean up debris and to ensure you can find a version that works perfectly for you. The Bumpa is available in a gasoline and an electric model. The height limit the Bumpa is able to lift materials is 29.5 feet or 9 meters, so most roofs will be a piece of cake. The electric version has a price tag of $137. NW Quick Pull. The NW Quick Pull is an all-in-one tool that is the ultimate tool for fencing professionals, contractors, and landscapers, but almost everyone will find it useful. The Quick Pull is designed to ensure that fence post removal no longer has to be a back-breaking task. This American-made tool can even pull posts that have concrete plugs, but it's an incredible versatile tool that can also be used for the removal of shrubs, small trees, and bushes. The tool has already become very popular all across the world, so this is an investment that definitely won't let you down at $1,495. Batty Pave Pulse. Our next battery-powered tool will be revolutionary for those tiling jobs that need to be done flawlessly. The Batty Pave Pulse is a vibrator tool that ensures tile laying can be done without the worry of trapped air bubbles that would cause issues later on. The tool is powered by a 2 amp-hour battery, and this means that there aren't any wires or cords that will get in the way. The integrated suction cups are capable of lifting tiles weighing as much as 55 pounds or 25 kilograms. The gadget also features a very unique shaped plate, and this was created to ensure that no corner work will ever get the best of you again. At only $196, this tool is a definite steal. Rust-Oleum Construction Marking Paint. We're now introducing the Rust-Oleum Construction Marking Paint, the top choice for all the marking jobs on the construction site. If you're looking to increase your pace, this is the marking paint for you, since it completely dries in only 5 minutes. Whether you're trying to make markings on gravel, grass, dirt, or even asphalt, the construction marking paint will be the best option. One of the best features of this paint is that it is available in 30 different colors, so you can be rest assured you have endless options. The standard M1400 can holds a total of 1 pound or 482 grams of paint, and you'll be able to mark more objects than any alternative on the market. A set of 2 cans sells for a very reasonable $58. Knipex DP50. The Knipex DP50 is the next tool on our list, and it addresses a very big problem. In 2021 alone, the USA exported more than 76,000 tons of plastic pipes and fittings, proving why this tool is invaluable. It's a plastic pipe cutter that is designed to effortlessly work with pipes that are up to 1.97 inches or 50 millimeters in diameter and up to 0.09 inches or 2.4 millimeters in wall thickness. The cutter works incredibly smooth, and it ensures that you won't be left with any burrs. The specially designed blade is fitted with 2 sharp cutting edges, so being stuck on the blunted blade will not ever be a problem again. The tool weighs a meager 10.6 ounces or 300 grams, and its reinforced plastic body ensures durability. The price comes in at $57. Hammerhead. Using the nearest hard object as a hammer is something that is quite common in the construction industry, but thanks to the Hammerhead, you'll always have a trusted tool on hand for exactly this. The Hammerhead knife has a steel insert on the handle that can be used to pound nails, staples, and everything else in. There's also a retractable compartment on the knife that stores 7 spare blades. The price for this new age utility knife is a reasonable $55. Flute TIS 55 Plus, TIS 75 Plus. Thermal imaging cameras are incredibly useful for mechanics, builders, and many construction professionals. And the Flute TIS 55 Plus and TIS 75 Plus stand out above the rest. The models are used to assist in diagnostics, and they operate within the range of 1022 to -4 degrees Fahrenheit or 550 to -20 degrees Celsius. The tools have a built-in memory and SD card compatibility, and they can easily store thousands of thermal images. On a full charge, the TIS 55 runs for 3.5 hours, while the TIS 75 boasts an improved runtime of more than 4 hours. Respectively, these thermal imaging cameras are priced at $3,650 and $6,400. Optima Chisel Plane. Optima Chisel Plane is the tool we're introducing now, and rest assured it'll blow you away. The tool is quite a bit more compact than its competition, but dynamite comes in small packages. The gadget is made from A2 steel and is designed with a natural wood handle. This chisel is ergonomic, durable, and will get the job done. The price is a very reasonable $12, so there's no reason to not add this to your tool collection today. Quick Brace. The Quick Brace is the pride and joy of the manufacturers, and it's quite unlike anything else on the market. The tool is able to secure as many as 5 boards at a single time, and they're always aligned perfectly. The pneumatic drive of this tool will save you a ton of hassle, and you can say goodbye to these frustrations for good by spending $1,650 on this tool. Scheffler Light. The Scheffler Light isn't so much a light, but it will definitely light up your life. To achieve success in the high-speed log sawing world, this chainsaw sharpening tool is essential. One competitor even set a world record with it. The sharpener is designed to work with both small chains that have a pitch of 0.25 inches or 6.44 millimeters, and much larger chains. For example, harvester chains. One of the best perks of this chainsaw sharpener is that you don't even need to disassemble your chain to use it. The gadget works on a unique principle of low pressure and high speed, and this will ensure that your sharpening belt lasts much longer than usual. At a price of $216, it's incredibly affordable, considering just how effective it is. Flint Span Messer. The Flint Span Messer is a tool that will last more than a lifetime, and this wall-mounted wood chopper will take your wood cutting to a whole new level. The cast iron device has notches and a convenient blade that will slice through logs up to 13 inches or 33 centimeters. It works great with most wood options, and it will be the ultimate firewood helper. The kit includes everything you'll need, including a drilling template, the screws, and the plugs. All this for a price of $117. Flex Tool Tough Truck B450. Who wouldn't love to have a mini dump truck at their disposal? Well, with the Flex Tool Tough Truck B450, you finally can. The mini dump truck has a very impressive capacity of 992 pounds or 450 kilograms, and it is powered by a 6.5 horsepower or 4.8 kilowatt Honda engine. With a narrow bucket in the turning wheels, it can easily fit through a doorway. The tool is only 28.7 inches or 73 centimeters wide, and if you want to go the green way, there's also an electric version that boasts 8 hours of operation on a full battery charge. The dump truck will cost only $947. Depth Stretch DS300 SE. As a technician, there are bound to be times when you need to be able to observe places no human eye can ever go. And that's when you'll be glad products like the DepthStretch DS300 SE exist. Whether you need to inspect drains or pipelines, peek into an engine, or explore the inner workings of an air conditioner, this horoscope, with its 16.5 foot or 5 meter flexible tube, can twist, turn, and wiggle its way into just about anywhere. It boasts an ultra-thin 0.2 inch or 5.3 millimeter probe, 3 levels of backlighting as well as a 4.3 inch or 10.9 centimeter color screen that shows you exactly what the probe sees. As an added convenient feature, it has an IP67 waterproof design, 4-hour battery life, and a price tag of only $56. Mingo Marker. If you look closely, you'll notice that the color is not the only brilliant thing about this tool, and that's because the Mingo Marker is one of the simplest ways to mark large quantities of logs into equal length. Best of all, it is as simple to use as you would expect it to be. All you have to do is add a can of paint and select your wheel, and you're set. One can of paint is enough to last more than 5 miles or 8 kilometers, and you can mark a 30-foot or 9-meter log in literal seconds. Plus, it works rain or shine, and the standard wheel offers cuts of 6, 12, and 24 inches or 15, 30, and 61 centimeters, while any additional wheels can provide 14, 16, and 18 inches, or 36, 41, and 46 centimeter cuts. The manufacturer has even put everything, including one basic wheel and 3 additional wheels, into one affordable $63 package. Norbar Protronic Plus. You wouldn't really expect to pay anything less than $1,000 for a tool as high-tech and complex as the Norbar Protronic Plus, and you'd be right, because you wouldn't. But what if it was worth every bit of the price tag? That's the question that potential customers are probably asking themselves when they are considering buying this innovative electronic torque wrench, and it's one we will try and answer today. The Protronic Plus comes equipped with an advanced and intuitive LCD display that increases the size of the numbers while you're busy, and a smart integrated memory lets you store up to 50 presets for tasks you do more than once. The tool works with Bluetooth data transmission, so you can communicate with other devices and track your torque readings, audible alerts, handle vibrations, and the tool gives the user options to choose from 5 different units of torque measurement, ranging all the way up to 800 Newton meters. Lastly, it should be noted that the device's margin of error is a mere 2% when operating between 20% and 100% of its capacity. Blue Spruce Toolworks Deluxe Mortise Engage. The Deluxe Mortise Engage is one of the best new inventions from Blue Spruce Toolworks that has taken center stage in the woodworking world. The tool has spinning radius, bars for optimal ease of use, as well as a wide range of cutting blades that are all made from 1095 steel. The gadget has a 4-knife design that gives you the choice between single and double blade lines for extreme marking precision. The tool offers many practical advantages, but is still very simple to use. And to ensure it can fit right into your toolbox color scheme, you can customize the color of your Deluxe Mortise Engage. The price for this handy tool starts at around $130. Malco HC1 HC2 Hole Cutter. For over 70 years, Malco has been carving out a name for themselves in industries that require tools that deliver a great deal of precision and quality, and the company's products are used all over the world. And now they've introduced the HC1 and HC2 cutters, 2 new cutting-edge tools that are designed to be 100% compatible with most standard drill grills to give users the ability to effortlessly cut through 0.0 inch or 1.02 millimeter thick galvanized steel sheets. The HC1, which sells for $67, punches holes ranging from 2 to 12 inches or 51 to 305 millimeters in diameter, while the $94 HC2 version can handle diameters up to 20 inches or 508 millimeters. Both also feature interchangeable parts and consumables for even more ease of use, so using these tools will be a breeze. Pack Tool Z Clamp. If you ever find yourself in need of some help with the heavy job of having to install siding panels, whether on the side of a house or on a fence, just remember that for $63, you could get yourself some of these Pack Tool Z clamps. This will ensure you save yourself a lot of back pain and a lot of time. These clamps are made to act as mini platforms that hold the sheets and panels while you're busy putting them into place. And they will even work to ensure that you can maintain consistent spacing, resulting in a professional finish without any wonky lines. These clamps deliver incredible performance on a continuous basis, and you can't go wrong when investing in this new age clamp. Weber VPR 450 VPR 700. If you see one of these amazing tools in action out on the field, you should know that the company that makes them is one that is renowned and trusted for making reliable products. They have made it their mission to simplify the arduous task of placing tiles and paving stones. The first task it tackles is to help you fix uneven surfaces caused by irregular joint spacing and cracks. To do this, the Weber VPR series carefully fills every joint, ensuring a seamlessly functional finish every time, no matter how thin and delicate the tiles may be. The Weber VPR 450 and VPR 700 models use gentle vibrations to level even the most fragile tiles. They don't create a dusty mess, and they feature powerful 5 horsepower or 3.6 kilowatt Honda engines. These tools have working widths of 16.5 inches or 42 centimeters and 26.3 inches or 67 centimeters respectively. Tile Flat Ash Device. The next product on our list seems to have made quite a splash in the Chinese community, featuring prominently on one very popular website. The design of this Tile Flat Ash device is wonderfully straightforward and practical, and anyone that needs to prepare an area for tile laying will surely appreciate its generous 23.6 to 31.4 inch or 60 to 80 centimeter working width. As a bonus, the creators of this device have even decided to include several extra levels to make the deal even sweeter. It has a relatively low price tag of $30 too. Works Nitro Switch Driver 2.0. If any tool-making company could choose one of their creations to be a proud brand ambassador, we're sure they couldn't do much better than the cordless Works Nitro Switch Driver 2.0. The most pertinent thing to mention about this drill and driver is probably its 2 rotating .25 inch or 6.35 millimeter chucks. One is for drills, and the other holds bits for screws and fasteners. Safety is also built into the design, and if the chuck isn't correctly positioned, the tool won't do anything until it is. It all runs on a battery from the PowerShare family of batteries, making it compatible with over 75 other Works tools. Moreover, the WX177L boasts a 25% power boost thanks to its brushless motor, and it is up to 10% more durable. The Switch Driver 2.0 can reach speeds of up to 1,700 RPM and comes with 2 speeds, 9+1 torque steps, and a digital keypad for easy torque adjustments. Plus, it's only $130, so investing in it won't break the bank. Black & Decker. What could a company that sends their products into outer space have to offer us mere terrestrial tool users here on Earth? The maybe not surprising answer is this ingenious 6-in-1 multi-tool with a convenient carry case. The Black & Decker 6-in-1 drill is fortified with a high-intensity motor that effortlessly powers its many attachments, including the drill driver, a sander, an impact driver, a router, an oscillating multi-tool, and a jigsaw. All of this is backed up by a reliable 20-volt Power Connect battery, and it comes packaged neatly with a aforementioned storage case in tow. The entire kit, complete with all 6 interchangeable attachments, comes in at $200. Marshalltown Drywall Lift. Marshalltown is known for delivering superior products, and their drywall lift is another great example of their commitment to this standard. This lift is packed with uniquely practical features that make it an excellent choice for any drywall project. The features include the ability to support weights of up to 150 pounds or 68 kilograms, a 65-degree sideways tilting capacity, an incredibly short assembly time, and the built-in ability to handle sheets as big as 4 by 16 feet or 1.2 by 4.8 meters. The only possible downside to buying this product might be the price, which currently stands at around $1,624. Dovo 4x360-degree laser level. Not all laser levels are created the same, and after using this Dovo version, that will be painfully obvious to even the most inexperienced of workers. Exceptionally precise and versatile to boot, the Dovo laser level is perfectly equipped to handle demanding projects like tile laying and setting of tricky suspended ceilings. Features like the ability to work 16 lines at once, a wide working range that covers up to 197 feet or 60 meters, an added top laser for ceilings, a battery that lasts for up to 6 hours, make this one of the best modern gadgets. The tool has a multifunctional magnetic bracket that frees up your hands, and the manufacturer's confidence in quality is so strong, it's backed by a free repair offer for any faulty models, used for a period of less than 5 years. It comes with these cool features that make it more than worth its $180 price tag. TNT Rescue System Storm Surge Series. Anything that has been made with the purpose of being a rescue tool needs to be reliable and durable, not to mention comfortable, easy to use, and powerful. Luckily for rescue workers, the TNT Rescue System Storm Surge series manages to check all these boxes and will deliver top-tier levels of performance every time you most need it. To get started, it's worth mentioning that these cutters deliver an astonishing 320,000 pounds or 145 tons of cutting force, despite weighing less than 66 pounds or 30 kilograms. And when you need to create space in a limited time frame, and the capable 18 inches or 46 centimeters range spreaders can pry open even the most stubborn of structures. TNT also offers a high-tech hybrid version that blends cutting power and separation capability. It delivers a cutting force of about 1,054,000 pounds or 70 tons, helping you make easy work of even the most stuck, challenging objects. Lux Tower Lux S10 LED Lighting Tower. Sure, you've seen just about all that is a flashlight by now, but we guarantee the next gadget on our list has something new to offer. The Lux S10 has been armed with several high-performance LED floodlights that can swivel in any direction, and it is tough enough to take a beating from winds of up to 68.3 miles per hour or 30.5 meters per second. The lighting tower comes with a generous 5-year warranty, and since it's been crafted by a team of Italian professionals, it combines functionality with style incredibly well. Other standout features include its pneumatic air pump lifting system that cuts out the need for complicated assembly, and its sturdy 183 pounds or 83 kilogram weight and 14.7 feet or 4.5 meter height. The tower's ability to light up an expansive area of around 16,146 square feet or 1,500 square meters might justify its investment at a $4,597 price tag. Pro 122 TSB. The Pro 122T SB is a heavy-duty, high-torque, high-performance drilling machine with a robust, powerful engine that definitely deserves a mention on our countdown. The reliable 4-speed gearbox and a rigid, intuitively functional design offers users exceptional performance and ease of use that makes this tool stand out. From a robust 23,000-watt motor to a sturdy and simple control panel that's easy to use even when wearing gloves, this ingeniously designed piece of machinery is here to get the job done right. It also has the capability to cut threads up to M30 through reverse action, and it works well with 4.7-inch or 120mm core drill bits and twist drills up to 1.25 inches or 31.75mm in diameter. The price is quite steep at $3,352, but it's certainly worth an investment. AGP C16. Now let's check out this wet and dry concrete saw that has managed to gain the admiration of quite a few professionals in the construction industry and see what makes it so special. To start off with, the AGP C16 is capable of delivering ultra-precise cuts in both wet and dry conditions with its substantial 16-inch or 405mm diameter blade. It has a maximum cutting depth of 6 inches or 150mm and features a suction port for dust collection, making it ideal for indoor projects. It also supports flush cutting and includes a pair of helpful guide rollers that can be taken off without the need for tools. What's better is that it gets even more user-friendly when you throw in its 21 pounds or 9.6 kilogram weight and 4.7 horsepower or 3.2 kilowatt operating power. The AGP C16 is available for $1,346. Husqvarna T542i. It seems that there will never be an end to the influx of improving and more innovative products on the market, and cordless battery-powered options seem to be getting a lot of attention. On that note, we're going to take a look at the Husqvarna T542i XP, the first ever clutch-equipped top-handle battery chainsaw to hit the market. It's been created with the needs of arborists in mind, but don't let its compact size fool you. The T542i HP is just as strong as its 40cc gasoline counterparts, if not stronger. It comes with a very nifty integrated sensor that alerts you when the chain needs oil or if the battery runs out, the latter of which can be swapped with another Husqvarna tool, battery with ease. It even has the added benefit of being much quieter than alternatives. Does not give off any fumes either. The tool is listed for $827. Weller Zero Smog Shield Pro. Professionals working long hours in small, enclosed spaces, lacking fresh air spaces should be very interested in the next item in our selection. That's because having a clean, odor-free work environment is crucial for the health of every worker, and the Weller Zero Smog Shield Pro Fume Extractor is one of the best ways to reach that goal. At just 5 by 7 inches or 13 by 18 centimeters in size, it's compact and easy to put on any workbench or tabletop. But despite its small size, it is powerful enough to clean up to 1,130 cubic inches, 32 cubic meters of air per hour. The Zero Smog Shield Pro eliminates everything from odors and gases to floating particles, but does so with less noise than a typical vacuum cleaner, and operates at a maximum noise level of only 59 decibels. To add to this amazing list, it has built-in lighting for your workspace too. It also sells for the reasonable price of $279. Coast CL40R. At first, the Coast CL40R might seem unforgivably modest in comparison to some of the other featured products on our list, but in reality, it's a serious performer. Whether you're camping, working on your car, or dealing with a power outage, you can be rest assured that this light will be there to help you out. Not only does it stick to almost any surface, but it offers flexible adjustment with a 360-degree rotation and a 115-degree tilt, so you can have light wherever you need it. The lighting gadget has a maximum brightness of 3,900 lumens, brightness, meaning it will easily light up an entire campsite and is clearly visible from 285 feet or 87 meters away. Drivers will love this handy gadget, and it can run smoothly for up to 16 hours on its built-in battery. It sells for $100, which is a steal considering all the cool features you get in return. Ruby Slim Cutter G2. The Ruby Slim Cutter G2 is a simple and reliable manually operated system that has been purpose-built for the handling of large porcelain stoneware slabs with ease. It can support slabs of up to 0.4 inches or 10 millimeters thick, and it comes armed with an incredibly durable tungsten carbide blade to ensure maximum cutting precision and long-lasting performance for years to come. The Ruby Slim Cutter can cut lengths up to 142 inches or 360 centimeters, and to make things even sweeter, it has been packaged with 2 transportation bags that can be connected together if the need arises. Right now, the G2 system is selling for up to $2,321. Pioneer Trim Router Jig. Woodworkers who need to upgrade their workshop need to look no further than the Pioneer Trim Router Jig. Not only does it perform a wide variety of tasks like flush cutting, grooving, and hole preparation better than most of its competitors, but if you flip it over, you'll find M4 and M6 threads that allow for the attaching of extra tools like external jigs. It works well with many other products and pairs exceptionally well with edge milling machines like the Makita RTO 700C and the DeWalt DCW 600. If you needed another reason, the Pioneer Trim is also designed to help you keep your tools steady while you work, making cutting circles anywhere from 1 to 30 inches or 2.5 to 76 centimeters as easy as it can possibly be. All of this currently sells for $210. Leister Comet 700. The Leister Comet 700 is next on our list, and it's a hot wedge welding machine that will be sure to leave you impressed. It is waterproof thanks to coatings and geomembranes, and the digital control system perfectly controls the welding temperature, speed, and pressure without any faults. The speed that this machine can manage is as much as 26 feet or 8 meters per minute, and it's even got a built-in control unit for complete convenience. The price tag may surprise you a bit at $15,200. Bosch Shovel. There's nothing better to kick off our countdown than a classic tool that's been totally reinvented. The Bosch Shovel is a simple tool that'll transform this back-breaking task entirely. This futuristic shovel might look like what you'd use to harvest crops on a distant planet, but it will be remarkably easy to use. In the middle, the shovel has a secondary handle that can be locked into 16 different positions. This ensures a completely comfortable grip and will reduce the strain you will feel on your wrists and back by a huge amount. The shovel is available in a round and square point, and if you're looking to invest in one, prices start at around $76. Vento Rake. Gardening work is made much lighter when you can strap one tool to your back that'll take care of nearly every job. Introducing the Vento Rake, one of the most miraculous garden inventions we've seen yet. This is an incredibly smart buy, since it boasts 4 different functions: a vacuum, a rake, a blower, and a mulcher. The twin batteries provide 35 minutes of non-stop work at full load. And to manage your power output precisely, there are 6 different power levels to choose from. Whether you're facing branches or piles of leaves, it will be no match for the Vento Rake. You simply strap onto your shoulders like a backpack. It only weighs a reasonable 17.6 pounds or 8 kilograms, and this includes the battery pack. The price for this multi-tool is $289, which is a considerable bargain, since most blowers alone cost well above this. RIDGID SR24. Next up, we have a tool for the line locating professionals who want to make their jobs a bit easier. The RIDGID SR24 is a cutting-edge line location that is specifically designed to locate electrical cables and subway pipes. This handy tool pairs with an Android or iOS app, and it offers the user cool features like real-time data, GPS coordinates, and depth. Viewing this on your tablet or smartphone will be next level. But to make things even better, it can even export the data to a Google-compatible file. It's fitted with Bluetooth connectivity, and its 12 hours of seamless operation is powered by 4 C-type batteries. The price on this machine is a bit steep though, coming in at $7,200. Bull Bar by Crescent. The Bull Bar packs a punch, and it's the pinnacle of demolition convenience thanks to the effort Crescent put into designing the perfect tool. The cleverly designed tool head is perfect for efficiency, removing boards and taking pallets apart, and it'll take the strain off of your shoulders. Special attention was given to ensure slip-free usage, and the nail puller is built in to ensure you aren't ever left searching. The nail puller can rotate a total of 180 degrees, so you can get the ideal working angle every time. It's so successful that everyone who invests in one can't stop raving. So this is your sign to invest in one for $97. Tough-Built Scraper Utility Knife. Tough-Built takes center stage with their new scraper utility knife, one of the coolest multi-tools on the cards. It's a combination between a scraper and a utility knife, and the switch between the two happens in only seconds and with a few simple finger movements. The tool has 5 different blades for cutting everything from cardboard, vinyl, plastic, and a range of other materials. When used as a scraper, the handy tool will make quick work of glue, putty, and more. Not only this, but the scraper will be effective on various surfaces including tile and glass. The back works as a paint can opener, and all this for only $20. Seems like a total steal. iTool Co. Canon 1K. Cable laying no longer needs to be a daunting prospect thanks to the iTool Co. Canon 1K. This innovation was created with both utter convenience and impressive speed in mind. The design is compatible with both left and right-handed users, and since it weighs a meager 8.8 pounds or 4 kilograms, it won't cause any strain. The drill acts as a driving force for the tool, allowing it to pull cables at incredible speeds of 131 feet or 40 meters per minute, even when you have overhead work to do. The unique lever design is ideal, and thanks to the removable end plates, the reels can be changed out without any effort at all. All these remarkable features have a price tag of $1,420. Simpson Strong Tie Timber Drive. The Strong Tie Timber Drive is the newest invention from Simpson, and it's guaranteed to be a hit. In the world of structural fasteners, the Strong Tie is a total game changer. It allows for comfortable use when standing upright, and the adjustable countersinking depth is another plus. The tool works effortlessly with self-tapping screws that are up to 6.3 inches or 16 centimeters long. No training or certification is needed to operate this tool, and the incredibly precise fastener loading is the result of the patented mechanism. The quick drive adapter means that the tool is compatible with a range of screwdrivers, and you can say goodbye to aching shoulders, knees, and backs. The reduction in fatigue and effort you'll achieve when tackling huge fastening jobs is certainly worth the $900 price tag. Ameristep. Hunters are about to find their new favorite tool in this incredibly useful self-tapping step from Ameristep, a trusted name in hunting accessories. This practical step is perfect for when you're out in the wild and will help you get up and over the ground by effortlessly anchoring itself into the nearest tree trunk. Installation is as easy as can be with no tools required. Just grab the step and twist it into place with your hand. The 6-inch or 15-centimeter step area and self-tapping screw in point ensures unwavering stability in all conditions. Lastly, this step has an impressive weight capacity of 750 pounds or 340 kilograms and is available at an affordable price of just $4. The creators of this step also offer other useful hunting gear like umbrellas, ground blinds, and much more. FLIR SI2. Next up is the FLIR SI2, an invention definitely worth a mention. These acoustic imaging cameras are designed to find electrical discharges, faults, and leaks within buildings. The gadget streamlines vacuum and high voltage electrical system inspections, and it makes this task up to 10 times quicker. The PD model is capable of detecting discharges, while the LD model is used to identify mechanical failures, like bearing problems. Gas leaks like ammonia, hydrogen, and methane can be detected as well, and both devices have an operational range of 656 feet or 200 meters. The manufacturer provides AI algorithms to support users in problem assembly, and there's a free online platform that helps the user organize data and visual reports. Each of these cost $18,000. But here's the golden tip. You can purchase the SI2 Pro model that combines these features for only $25,000. Leister Pen Weld. Now we focus on a plastic welding, and Leister has made the most impressive gadget yet. The pen weld is now available in 2 models that are both tailored for the best plastic welding results. The standard version is great, but the advanced version has great features like a backlight and other extras. They both maintain the same temperature range, between 140 and 1112 degrees Fahrenheit, or 60 and 600 degrees Celsius. Another perk that you can expect from both these models is their compactness, weighing under 1.1 pounds or 500 grams and working ideally in tight spaces. The standard pen weld has a price tag of $620, while the advanced one comes in at $878. NAX is known for having a knack for wood splitting, but in all seriousness, this amazing wood splitter will not leave you disappointed. The patented design ensures the splitter is compatible with logs, as long as 1.25 feet or 38 centimeters, and whether you need to cut through birch, aspen, spruce, or nearly any other kind of wood, it will be like cutting through butter. The gadget makes firewood prep much safer than traditional methods, and it's straightforward to assemble, only requiring 2 hex keys sized 0.5 and 0.74 inches, or 13 and 19 millimeters. The entire thing weighs a humble 13.2 pounds, or 6 kilograms, so it's easy to transport. This splitter will cost $212. Is it worth the investment to you? Twist 2.0 rechargeable screwdriver. There's no reason that your screwdriver can't also be a cool, innovative part of your toolbox, and the Twist 2.0 rechargeable screwdriver is exactly what you need. The electric screwdriver is completely cordless for your working convenience, and it's got a range of amazing features like rotating heads that can be fixed into 3 different positions, up to 45 degrees. The tool has a pending patent, and we can see why. The bright LED that's built in helps for visibility and button controls. Make any adjustments easy. For fast charging, the tool works with a USB Type-C connector. A set includes the cable, 2 bits, and the screwdriver itself for a very reasonable $30. HSS Higher Wallpaper Stripper. Thanks to the HSS Higher Wallpaper Stripper, getting old wallpaper off of your walls will no longer be a complete nightmare. This system will make you look like a complete professional. It takes just shy of 2 gallons, or 7.5 liters of water, and uses steam to get the job done. The steaming allows wallpaper to be removed without damaging the walls, even if they are plastered. With a full water reservoir, you'll be able to work for 90 minutes straight. King Combo 2.0. The King Combo 2.0 sounds like an invention that demands respect, and you wouldn't be wrong in assuming this. This new age ladder has a royal title, and it certainly lives up to the high expectations it sets. It only weighs 24 pounds or 11 kilograms, but it can support an incredibly impressive 330 pounds or 150 kilograms. The ladder offers 3 different modes, acting like an extension ladder, a step ladder, or a leaning ladder. This specific model is rated for heights of 9.8 feet or 3 meters, but there are others that have a higher reach. For a price of $465, you can have the coolest ladder on the block. Rive Stop. The question of what to do with formwork holes after it's been removed remains an important one, but thankfully Rive Stop is now an innovative and reliable solution. The Rive Stop is designed for effortless hole installation, and it works with elastic rivets that expand by as much as 50%. This means they'll fit snugly into any formwork hole. And it's so easy to use that one person alone can finish the job. In 1 hour, a whopping total of 420 rivets can be installed, totaling a mere few seconds per individual hole. These rivets are fire resistant, as well as waterproof for complete peace of mind. And for a set of 50 D27 size rivets, you'll need to pay a reasonable $172. BASEH Chainsaw. The BASEH Chainsaw is a unique take on the classic chainsaw, and it's been quite popular since the 1960s. The chainsaw is specifically designed to tackle demanding wood tasks, like precise angle and non-standard cuts. The chainsaw is fitted with a well-performing 59cc engine, and it's even got specialized guide bars that are compatible with a .37-inch or 9.5mm chain pitch. The handy chainsaw will also be well-suited for just normal log cutting on the ground. You wouldn't expect this as such, an old invention, but due to its popularity, spare parts are still readily available. Hilti Nuron PM50MG22 Multi-Line Laser. Hilti has been a trusted name for 83 years, and they have surprised us all once again with their new PM50MG22 multi-line laser. This advanced tool has proven to be up to 25% faster when it comes to jobs like self-leveling. The Nuron battery support of this tool is one of its best features, and it means that you'll be able to enjoy 24 hours of non-stop work. The tool has 2 vertical and 1 horizontal plane, and it's fitted with very highly enhanced diodes to provide perfect visibility. The maximum working distance of this laser is extended from 262 to 426 feet or 80 to 130 meters when using a laser receiver, and the accuracy is a hugely impressive 0.12 inches or 3 millimeters at 33 feet or 10 meters. To add this to your tool collection will cost you a total of $549. Barwalt ultralight knee pads. Working on your knees feels like utter punishment after just a few minutes. And to make this work feasible and, more importantly, comfortable, Barwalt has designed the ultralight knee pads. These knee pads reduce discomfort and knee strain for construction workers, mechanics, and anyone else working on their knees. They are even suited for roofing specialists thanks to their external texture. The knee pads have a total weight of 1.38 pounds, or 624 grams, to ensure they won't be adding unnecessary weight to your work uniform. And the upper part is smart and foldable, so you can wear them standing up too. The sturdy straps secure the knee pads to your knees, even over overalls and jeans. And once they're on, you'll forget you're wearing them. A pair of them costs a meager $24. Nemo Hole Cleaner. Cleaning tools come in all shapes and sizes, and if you're looking for one specifically for your boat, the Nemo Hole Cleaner is the answer. The tool is created to help clean the underside of your boat that's underwater. It has a battery that's able to deliver a solid 2 hours of work, and it securely attaches to the hull to make the job just a bit more hassle-free. The 11.81-inch or 30-centimeter brush is able to cut your normal cleaning time in half, and to make things better, it's incredibly versatile too. Nemo can be used to clean aquariums, pools, and many other water-based objects. The functions clearly outweigh the price at $1,470. Rive out. If you've been tasked with the daunting challenge of removing the formwork tubes from within a concrete structure, there is no better way to do it than by using Rive Out. With this device, even the most inexperienced worker can clear their way through 200 pieces every hour, spending no more than a few seconds on each hole. Since it leaves zero plastic traces and keeps the tubes completely undamaged, reuse is basically guaranteed. Makita Cordless Caulking Gun. If you're a professional tradesman who's currently in the market for a reliable and hard-working caulking gun that can keep up with your demands, then the Makita DCG 180ZK cordless caulking gun might be worthy of your attention. Some of its most noteworthy features include an adjustable sealant flow rate for fine-tuning using both the regulator and the trigger, and a rubberized grip for comfortable handling at all times. It's also got a built-in job light and a smart carry case, and the anti-dripping function that kicks in whenever the trigger is released will ensure missing the last drop is a worry of the past. Moreover, it's light and easy to transport and work with at only 5.5 pounds or 2.3 kilograms in weight. It accepts cartridges, tubes, and powder sealants when it's reloading time, and the price of $266 is certainly justified. Work Sharp Ken Onion. It's now possible for you to experience why the Work Sharp Ken Onion is one of the most renowned and beloved electric sharpeners for everything from axes to scissors. And once you do, you'll understand why it stands out above the rest. With speeds between 1,200 to 2,800 RPM, there's a perfect setting for every sharpening task, and it comes in a kit that includes 15 speed settings and 5 belts. Your precise serrated blades are safe from degradation when you use the Onion, and you can tweak the sharpening angle from 15 to 30 degrees to accommodate different tools. There's even a very handy swivel mechanism for when you need to work vertically or horizontally. For only $227, it's truly the best sharpening tool you can get your hands on. Boxel eBat. Allow us to introduce you to what is arguably one of the smartest high-frequency electric converters available right now. The Boxel eBat has a mission much simpler than its appearance suggests, and has been created to help improve the density of concrete and the general quality of all your concrete work. It does this by being the first of its kind mobile converting machine with an integrated and high-functioning battery. This equates to vibrators that can be quickly connected to expel excess air from the concrete mix, resulting in a denser mix and a safer and more convenient user experience. There's a reinforced rubber protection structure added in for good measure. No moving parts for perfect simplicity. The tool also has a 15.9 amp battery with enough capacity for 2,225 cubic feet or 63 cubic meters, about 2 hours of continuous concrete work. You'll need to contact the manufacturer for pricing on this tool. Koken Wheel Nut Socket Set. Now let's move on to the Koken Impact Wheel Nut Socket Set, an innovative color-coded tool that comes in on a convenient kit. The said kit includes 4 thin-walled sockets, each with a color-coded insert for easy identification. It goes as follows: blue for 0.6 inches or 17 millimeters, red for 0.7 inches or 19 millimeters, yellow for 0.8 inches or 21 millimeters, and white for 0.9 inches or 22 millimeters. The sockets are packed into a sturdy case, and each is covered with a plastic protector to shield the wheel from any damage. Each of the sockets are around 4.3 inches or 110 millimeters long, making them the ideal way to remove deep-set nuts that like to hide in tight spaces. You can buy the 4-piece set for $200. Convinced yet? Vever Pipe Blockage Detector Locators. How advanced would you expect a high-quality pipe blockage detector from a well-known brand like Vever to be? You'll probably want to stick around to find out, and it'll surely exceed your expectations. First off, the Vever detector has an impressive range and can identify blockages in metal pipes up to a depth of 6 inches or 15 centimeters. Alternatively, it can detect up to 15.7 inches or 40 centimeters deep in plastic pipes. And all you have to do is slide a 100-foot or 30-meter beacon cable into the pipe. You then move the cable forward and take out the scanner to find the blockage. The kit also comes with 8 spare beacons, and at $60, it's an unmissable investment. Tajima Chalkrite Sturdy. The Tajima Chalkrite marking tool has more than achieved all of the milestones to be classified as one of the best tools on the market. The creators decided to try and recreate the feeling of working with well-worn fishing gear, but encase their product in a resilient aluminum case. For added durability, the cord is even stored away in a braided sleeve. The tool cord has a length of 100 feet or 30 meters, and you can choose between 2 thicknesses of 0.02 inches or 0.5 millimeters and 0.04 inches or 1 millimeter. You can even upgrade to the metal-tipped version. This wear-resistant metal tip on the cap will increase durability, while the collapsible metal handle provides a comfortable grip. And finally, at a price of just $57, it's definitely giving you exceptional value for your money. Trotec TU600. Finding a bunch of wires hidden beneath dense layers of concrete or brickwork is a pain, but the Trotec T600 microwave moisture meter comes to the rescue. Its sole purpose is to help locate and gauge the level of moisture levels in walls, whether you're dealing with dampness, leaks, or excess humidity. It can then even be used to detect and pinpoint where metal objects like hidden wires or fittings are. Moreover, it's completely unreactive to salts, and it can be used to an effective depth of 12 inches or 30 centimeters. This makes it much more versatile and ideal for use on older structures. The Trotec can also be paired with a multi-measure mobile app to help you share and keep track of your workflow, and to make the deal even sweeter, it features a highly user-friendly touchscreen display. It now stands out as a relatively affordable but very clever investment for only $276. Duca. How many different functions would you expect a really great tool to have? If your answer was a lot, then we think you might find the Duca and its 42 integrated attachments pretty impressive. This versatile tool is small yet powerful, and despite its weight of just 9 ounces or 260 grams, it can work for 60 minutes straight on a full battery. This tool can grind, engrave, cut, and clean various materials such as glass, metal, wood, and acrylic. It is customizable too, and you can change the RPMs from 10,000 to 28,000 depending on the task at hand. Plus, at just $59, it's very budget-friendly too. Klein Tools Collapsible Dust Bowl. If you thought that a company like Klein Tools was going to make just another run-of-the-mill dust collector, you would have been sorely mistaken. The collapsible dust bowl is made from a clear material that lets you always see what's going on inside, and it makes the leveling process easier to control. With its completely collapsible design and 7.4 ounce or 209 gram weight, it is compact enough to easily store away after use too. The durable yet still pliable dual material bowl is purpose-built for circular saws, and it can accommodate blades up to 6.4 inches or 162 millimeters in diameter. It's tough enough to handle the daily grind without a doubt, and the price tag of only $20 is a huge bonus. Ibenstock Core Drill. We're now introducing the Ibenstock Core Drill, a diamond core drill that'll certainly stand out above the rest. It's tough enough to drill through tough materials like natural stone, reinforced concrete, and more. The drill is fitted with a durable 2 horsepower or 1.5 kilowatt motor and a range of compatible drill bits, ranging from 6 to 68 millimeters in size. It's possible to attach a drill rig and control the water supply control with a single switch to ensure complete peace of mind and no overheating or overcurrent issues. The manufacturers included cleverly designed safeguards. The tool is quite lightweight at 7.9 pounds or 3.6 kilograms. And the price might surprise you at $936. Hilti Nuron NRC 622. Next up on our selection is the Hilti Nuron NRC 622, a rebar cutter with a great performance and a host of high-end features. Forget the usual routine of swapping batteries because it's capable of delivering up to 122 clean cuts per charge. On top of that, you can use any Nuron battery when yours runs out, and these batteries also have a longer lifespan than your average 18 or 20 volt options. The device has been designed for flush, burr-free cuts on rebar up to 1 inch or 25 millimeters in diameter, and it even has a handy 3-position side handle. The blade is hidden away in a protective cover, and the blades are laser cut, wear and heat resistant to reduce flare-ups and sparks. Considering all these features, the price of $730 is definitely worth it. Milwaukee Sliding Compound Miter Saw. This Milwaukee sliding compound miter saw will power through nearly 400 of the cleanest and most precise cuts with its 10-inch or 254mm blade and exceptionally long-lasting battery. Not only will this saw be able to cut through just about anything, but safety and performance has been ingrained into its design. The built-in Smart Redling Plus system ensures protection against overload and overheating too. This miter saw is ideal for when you're working on trims like crown molding and baseboards, and it offers working angles of up to 48 degrees to the right and left. The saw also includes an indication of the cutting line, and when it comes to vertical capacity, it can easily handle up to 5.7 inches or 146 millimeters from the baseboard to stop. But now we have to mention the price, which currently stands at around $760. But considering its features and performance, it's not really all that excessive. JessEm Pocket Mill Pro. If you were tasked with selling a product like the JessEm Pocket Mill Pro, one of the first things that you would mention is probably that it's one of the most user-friendly and practical tools with capabilities that will benefit both beginner and pro-level carpenters, the latter of which will surely appreciate its many time-saving features and consistently high performance. It pairs with a standard drill to create ultra-precise grooves, and it has a patented system that independently lowers the cutting depth by 0.05 inches or 1.2 millimeters with each pass. The Pocket Mill Pro also has an investment-worthy price tag of $250. TT3 Tower Lamp. Everyone needs a good light source, probably almost all of the time. If you gave one of these TT3 tower lamps from the creative geniuses at Tavol a chance, you would certainly not regret it. This tool claims to be so much more than just a light, and it is a fantastic addition to your home, office, or even on your camping trips. With its compact 2.4 pound or 1.1 kilogram weight, it's incredibly easy to carry with you wherever you go. You also don't have to worry about frequent recharging because its 5,200 milliamp hour battery keeps it shining for up to 15 hours. You can fine-tune the brightness levels to your liking with adjustable color temperatures, and it's affordable at only $39. If you need to, you have the option to add a telescopic stand for $79 as well. Upcart Hero. There's a reason the name of this next product bears ode to a champion, because the Upcart Hero is the next step in the evolution of load-carrying devices. Designed especially for use on all terrains, this 6-wheel handcart takes on all the heavy lifting, so you don't have to. It can help you get your goods up the stairs, across the lawn, or even up a hill. Using it as simple as unfolding it, it's ready out of the box without any assembly needed. Users should just be mindful of the 140 pounds or 64 kilogram max weight limit. The Upcart Hero also comes with a very handy lifetime warranty and will set you back only $70. Laser Tools Inline Air Hammer Extractor. Getting to repair shop tools, we have to mention the Laser Tools Inline Air Hammer Extractor. This handy gadget is specifically made for the removal of diesel engine fuel injectors, and it's guaranteed to both simplify and speed up the process. The tool aligns with the component being removed flawlessly, and it offers an impressive 4,500 blows per minute. It's able to transmit shock and vibration much more effectively than any other methods, ensuring cleaner removal every time. The pneumatic hammer also has a pull function, and it works with the Bosch CR, Denso M20, and Siemens M25 and M27 diesel injectors. The working pressure this tool operates at is 89.9 psi or 6.2 bar, and the price comes in at an even $500. Bevel and miter box. Thanks to Wolfcraft, beveling and mitering have never been and probably will never be as easy as it is with their ingeniously designed bevel and miter box. With it in hand, you can work on surfaces like moldings and baseboards with the highest level of precision physically attainable. Based on your chosen model, it can handle baseboards with maximum heights of 2.7 inches or 70 millimeters and 3.9 inches or 100 millimeters. Once you've set the angle gauge, all that's left is to just insert and cut. And you also get the freedom to measure angles from 85 to 180 degrees. The best news of all, you only have to spend $36. Grizzly T32459 2x42-inch knife-making belt sander grinder. Listen up. Grizzly Industrial Products is offering this next incredible high-value belt sharpening machine, the T32459. But not only does this clever contraption strike a perfect balance between size and performance, with its 42-pound or 19-kilogram weight and 0.75 horsepower or 0.55 kilowatt motor, but it is also very functional and versatile. It offers tape position flexibility from 0 to 90 degrees, as well as the ability to operate on a standard 110-volt household outlet, so you can just plug it in like any other household appliance and enjoy impressive convenience. Also, despite its small size, it can propel the belt up to 4,200 feet or 1,280 meters per minute. The special graphite-coated roller is designed to stop the annoying side effects of extended use like overheating and blade discoloration. For less than $300, $299 to be exact, it can be yours. Hammelman Master Jet. The next time you're faced with the task of having to repair or take care of concrete surfaces, whether it is a driveway or a sidewalk, the Hammelman Master Jet will make every step of the job a whole lot simpler. Regardless of whether the job is to degrease, dedust, scrape, or roughen, it's incredibly efficient with its 46,412 psi or 3,200 bar of pressure and fluid flow rates of up to 16 gallons or 60 liters per minute. The Master Jet manages to combine high energy efficiency with optimal flow. It even has a simple 3-speed adjustment. You can choose between several different versions and get up to 10 nozzles, each with reduced vibration technology. This rotor jet also boasts patented sealing technology and only weighs a measly 2.2 pounds or 1 kilogram. The pricing information can be requested from the manufacturers. Corey Clamp-On Tire. Any mechanic worth his salt knows that failing to properly adjust a wheel's camber could lead to some serious issues down the line. The Corey Company has created a tool that can streamline the process of assessing and fine-tuning camber. It does this very well by using a unique synchronous opening and closing mechanism that keeps the central pin aligned with the wheel center. What's more, special rollers integrated inside the jaws will help make setting it up incredibly easy. All in all, the Corey Clamp-On Tire will help simplify daily workshop activities more than just about any other similar tool on the market right now. These new age tools will certainly revolutionize the job, but don't miss out on our next countdown either.